Hi everybody, David here. I wanted to talk to you about sales activity, and I met with the CEO of a business today. It's a strong business, it's been well established, turns over about £6 million a year and has a number of different routes to market. So it has a direct to consumer piece, so an e-commerce website, but it also has retailers who effectively they wholesale their product to. And it was really a very interesting conversation because I have been banging on to this business for as long as I can remember about the fact that there is not enough focus on sales activity. And the best person in this business is actually the CEO to sell it. That's not to say he hasn't got other people selling the business. Of course he has, to scale to that level. But actually getting out on the road 2 or 3 days a week and meeting with those key accounts, getting them to really retail and distribute their product better than they are currently, get people super motivated, is a massive opportunity for them. But for some particular reason, and it's not because there isn't a sort of infrastructure behind the business, there's plenty of people in accounts and finance and, doing all the admin that needs to take place, a brilliant sales and marketing person. It just drives me nuts. So my really big takeaway from this is if you're leading a business, you're a business owner, and you are not spending 75 to 80% of your time in business development, then I genuinely think you are missing a trick. Not only with your existing customers in putting your arms around them and making them feel privileged and making them feel like you really care about them, talking about new margin opportunities, developing new product ideas with your existing customers, but likewise exploring and networking in your industry and looking for those opportunities, those nuggets, those little bits that will just take your business to absolutely the next level. And it's frustrating to see a fabulous business that's profitable, and maybe part of that is the issue. You move into a sort of lifestyle, I'm just happy with where I am, and I get that completely, and I appreciate my style of thinking is not for everybody. But I promise you that if you are the leader of a business, the owner of a business, the manager of the business, just have a look at your diary, would you, over the next 6 or 7 days, and think about, well, how much of my time am I spending on business development, selling and developing relationships with prospects, nurturing and engaging with your existing customers. I think you'll be very surprised at how little time you are spending doing that. And if you change the way that you approach your day-to-day work and spend more time doing it, I think you'll be very surprised at the outputs from it. So talk to you very soon. Cheers.